Hi. Welcome back to our tutorial videos. Today, I'm gonna show you how to quickly resize and fit all the columns in a report or marketing documents. To begin, generate a report in SAP Business One, for example, an inventory audit report. As you can see, sometimes the width of the columns are not fit with the length of the description or item codes. Normally, users manually adjust the column by dragging the grid. But by using a Fit Column with function, it automatically adjusts and fits the column. To adjust the column, go to Toolbar. Then click on View. On the drop-down list, select Fit Column Width. You can use this function to any windows in SAP Business One. Thank you for watching this tutorial video, and see you in our next tutorial. Good day.